If you're playing GTA Online and want to name your organization, don't worry. This is an easy process through the SecuroServe menu. First, open the Interaction menu. PC, press Xbox, JARS PlayStation. Press View, JARS Touchpad next. Go to SecuroServe. Register as an organization. If you're already a CEO or VIP, you can skip registration. Now enter your organization name. Type a unique name that represents your crew or business. Keep it appropriate, as Rockstar may flag offensive names. After that, confirm your organization name. Press Enter or select Confirm to finalize the name. Also, choose a logo if desired. You can select a logo for your organization to appear on vehicles and apparel. Finally, manage your organization. Use the Interaction menu to invite members, manage offices, and access perks tied to your organization. Once done, your organization is officially named, and you can start recruiting players in GTA Online.
If this tutorial saved you time, like the video, subscribe to LearnBase, and ask your next question below.